Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Lawndale, local and long-distance movers near me. Our crew of expert movers will ensure your long-distance move goes efficiently. We assist you with your move no matter how far you need to go, from 100 miles to beyond 1,000 miles. Our moving solutions give you all the best options to individualize your move for your specific needs. Selecting our team means you receive access to all the standard long-distance moving services and all of the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. It's not always easy to rationalize the price when hiring a California moving company. A local moving company supplies many advantages which can make it well worth the cost. A reliable moving company is going to help you preserve time regardless of how far you're going. Minimizing the heavy lifting also gives another benefit you get from using the local movers. Our crew of professional movers will definitely make sure your move is extremely efficient. If you prefer a streamlined moving day, 3 Movers is the proper option for you. A move that might take you all weekend to finish, we can handle in one morning. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Lawndale moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.